Hook every time you use ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI tool, you're handing over more personal data than you realize. And the scariest part? Most people are giving away 5 specific things right now without even knowing it. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Intro AI tools have exploded in the last 2 years. ChatGPT has over 400 million weekly users. Claude, Gemini, Grok, they're everywhere. But here's the question nobody's asking: what do these companies actually know about you? I've spent the last week digging through privacy policies, terms of service, and data collection practices across the major AI platforms. What I found is genuinely disturbing. Let me walk you through exactly what they know, and more importantly, how to stop them. Your entire conversation history. Here's the first thing AI companies know: everything you've ever said to them. Every question. Every prompt. Every late-night conversation. Every personal problem you've shared. ChatGPT alone stores every single message you've ever sent. By default, your conversation history is used to train future models. That means your words are literally being fed into the next version of GPT, and they can be surfaced in someone else's responses. OpenAI says they've stopped using API data for training, but for regular ChatGPT users, your data trains their models unless you specifically opt out. And here's what most people miss: even when you delete a conversation, the training data that was already extracted from it doesn't disappear. It's already baked in. Your location and movement patterns. Second, AI companies know where you are and where you go. Every time you access an AI tool, your IP address is logged. Combine that with session timestamps, and these companies can build a detailed map of your movement patterns. Home in the morning, office during the day, that coffee shop you visit every Thursday. They know what time zone you're in, what country you're from, and often what city. Mobile apps go even further, collecting device identifiers, operating system details, and sometimes precise location data if you've granted permission to any connected app. This isn't paranoia, it's in their privacy policies. Go read them. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and tomorrow I'm covering something even more shocking. Your private documents and files third, and this one makes people's stomachs drop. They have access to every file you've ever uploaded. That contract you asked Claude to review. The medical report you pasted into ChatGPT for a second opinion. The code base you shared with an AI coding assistant. The family photo you ran through an image generator. All of it stored on their servers. When you upload a file to ChatGPT or Claude, that file gets processed and stored. The terms of service for most AI platforms give them broad rights to use uploaded content for training and improvement. That contract with your client's confidential information? That internal company document? That personal photo? All potentially part of the training dataset. Your relationships and social connections. Fourth, AI companies can reconstruct your social graph. When you mention names, relationships, or shared contexts in your prompts, they're building a map of who you know. Your spouse's name. Your boss's management style. Your kids' ages and interests. Your co-workers' conflicts. Individually, these are just words in a prompt. But aggregated across hundreds of conversations, they form a detailed social profile. And here's the thing: you're not just exposing yourself. You're exposing everyone you talk about. That rant about your manager? Now the AI knows their name, their behavior, and your relationship to them. Your behavioral patterns and psychological profile. Fifth and most invasive, AI companies know how you think. Not just what you ask, but how you ask it. Your typing speed, your vocabulary level, the time of day you're most active, the emotional state you're in when you reach for AI. Are you anxious at 2 a.m. asking health questions? Frustrated at 4 p.m. venting about work? Excited on weekends planning side projects? Every interaction builds a psychological profile more detailed than anything a therapist could construct. They know what makes you angry, what makes you curious, what keeps you up at night. And in the age of AI-powered advertising and persuasion, that profile is worth a fortune. How to stop them? 5 actions you can take today. Now here's the part that actually matters, what you can do about it. Action 1. Turn off chat history and model training. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, Data Controls, and disable chat history and training. In Claude, your conversations aren't used for training by default on paid plans. Action 2. Use a VPN. It masks your IP address and prevents location tracking. Action 3. Never upload sensitive documents to AI tools. If you need AI analysis on a private document, use a local model running on your own machine. Tools like Alima and LM Studio make this easy. Action 4. Anonymize the people in your prompts. Instead of naming your manager, say, someone I work with. Instead of your spouse's name, say my partner. Action 5. Be aware of your emotional patterns. Don't treat AI like a therapist, it's not confidential, and everything you share is data. Here's the bottom line, AI tools are incredibly powerful, and I'm not telling you to stop using them. I use them every single day. But use them with your eyes open. Know what you're giving up. Because convenience without awareness is just another word for exploitation. Subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering the AI companies that are secretly worse than the ones I just mentioned, and I guarantee you're using at least one of them. The subscribe button is right there in the corner, tap it now. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.